Hi, I am Lucinda. I'm an attorney at PPM Attorneys. In the beginning of the year, there was a lot of excitement around a robot lawyer created by a company called Do Not Pay. The robot lawyer was set to defend its client for a speeding infringement in a live courtroom for the first time in history. The news definitely sparked some mixed reactions and divided people into different camps. Some people were happy that finally the lawyers were becoming obsolete and a cheer went out for no more expensive legal fees. On the other hand, the conspiracy theorists reaffirmed that robots were taking over the world and that we are one step closer to being ruled by machines. However, the intention of creating this robot is one which I think is noble. The robot lawyer is an artificial intelligence program which runs on a smartphone. It listens to the proceeding and instructs the defendant on how to respond through an earpiece. Its inventor developed the program to level the playing field and make justice more accessible and affordable. Unfortunately, the robot lawyer did not see its day in court, and the company's CEO was contacted by other lawyers who were not happy with the use of the robot and even threatened legal action. The CEO found it not to be worth the risk and retired the robot. This case, however, highlights an important question. Would AI technology be able to represent someone in a South African court as things currently stand? In South Africa, a person has the right to present his own case without fulfilling any requirements. However, our legal system mostly works on the basis of attorneys and advocates representing clients, since they are trained to handle court cases and would probably do a much better job than the average person who is not legally trained. But in order to represent another person in court, there are certain rules that apply depending on whether it is a lower court or a superior court. In any event, a person representing another person will need to have what we call a right of appearance. Rights of appearance are granted to either attorneys if they meet certain requirements and advocates. What is plain to see is that these rights are granted to actual human beings who have a law degree and have completed some sort of practical training and have either passed a board or bar exam. So, hypothetically speaking, if someone were to use a robot lawyer, would the use of the robot lawyer be considered as a person representing him or herself with the aid of technology? Or would the robot be considered as a separate person representing another person? And in this case, how would the robot meet the requirements to obtain a right of appearance? The use of this technology certainly does lead us down a rabbit hole and opens questions on the legal personality of artificial intelligence. We currently do not have any specific legislation at the moment which regulates artificial intelligence, although the Protection of Personal Information Act contains provisions on automated decision making, which refers to the process of making a decision by automated means without any human involvement. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that robot lawyers should be allowed, and would you use one? Thank you for watching. Follow us on our social media pages and check out our news and articles page